Today we are going to troubleshoot and then replace or repair this single pole switch. Hi, I'm Jack and this is University. Alright, so today we're going to change out the switches in my podcast room just to show you how to do a single pole switch or a single location switch. What that is a switch that can be operated in one place to do one light, bunch of lights, a motor, a fan, a plug, whatever. The point is the single pole switch is that it is at one location. I can't control that from another location. So we'll be replacing these today. So first things first, let's call somebody and make sure we can get the breaker shut off first. Hey, yeah, do me a favor. What's that? Hey, I'm working in the podcast room.
You need to turn it off.
So
you're working in the
change a couple of these switches out. Yeah. Yeah,
I take it.
All right, thanks. Wait. Safety first. Okay, I didn't plan on that. Okay. Maybe we'll do this at the motherboard. All right, here we are at the motherboard. A lot easier for me to show you what's going on here. Pretty simple board I've created. Did it, I don't know. It took a whole darn day. That's what it did. So basically I just got a section for each one of these light bulbs. Today, we're gonna work on this single pole switch. And we'll take it apart and show you how to change it, see what it's made out of. In the meantime, I'll shut off all these other annoying ones. There you go. Should be easier to work on this one. Give me a second. We'll do a close-up and we'll take that apart. Be right back. So this is what you're going to see in a box. Like I said, it can be a blue and a blue, a blue and a yellow, a red and a black. These two wires that land on any single pole switch like this, it doesn't matter. If it worked before, you put those same two wires on this, on both of these copper screws. And a ground if you have it. If you don't have a ground, you're probably in a house that maybe didn't have grounds. You'll know, because you'll have grounds or you won't. So, anytime you take apart a box, this is a typical box, and the reason I say that is because it's the easiest way to wire a single pole switch. Electricians tend to do things efficiently and easily. You're gonna have grounds, you're gonna have neutrals, that's your whites, then you're gonna have two wires that were on the switch. There could be way more many wires in the back of that box. We're not concerned about those. All we wanna do is work with the ones that go up. So, new switch, take your ground, pretty simple. Just wrap it around and make it tight. Really, the mechanical connections are the important ones. And like I said, I don't have to know what either one of these do because a switch does not care. So, one on one. And the other one on the other one. And again, I cannot tell you over and over again, it does not matter which one goes on which. There are very few things that actually notice the difference between power coming in and power going out, and it's because they sense that. Some dimmers, some occupancy sensors, some of those actually even notice the ground. Oh yeah, you're done. Tidy everything up. Whatever you had for neutrals, they don't need to be on a switch. You can move them out of the way. The tighter you are, and the better you fold wires when you do this, the better a switch will go in, and the better it will sit on a plate. I must admit, sitting down and doing this, it's not very comfortable, but I do want to make sure that you can see what's being done. Then, put the plate back on. Not too exciting. But, and if you're wondering why I have white switches and ivory plates, believe it or not, I had it all white and the board was all white. So you couldn't tell the difference between any of it, just like the big sheet of white. So this is for you. This is for, so it's easier for you to see. That's it. One single pole switch has been done. Good luck.